Hi guys, welcome to Crazy Kalakars Adda, and we are back with our very own review time. So finally, Sushant Singh Rajput's swan song has released on Disney Plus Hotstar, and the audience response has been overwhelming. By the way, even our team is part of that audience. One of the reasons for this amazing response is definitely the emotional connection to late Sushant Singh Rajput, and second, Disney Plus Hotstar's beautiful gesture of making this film available for everyone, that too for free. Zara sa हंस लूं मैं हारे बाबा हम जरा सा रो लूं मैं हारे बाबा हम वेल अगर आप हंसने के लिए और रोने के लिए रेडी है तो दिल बेचारा मूवी डेफिनेटली आपके लिए है. So that's our take on the movie. Let's see what people have to say about this movie.
Performance-wise, Sushant, as many, is an absolute delight. He will be sorely missed. After appearing in these small roles in the movies like Rockstar, Fukre Returns, Sanjana in her first lead role makes the best of it. As Kizzy, she is an absolute natural. Shashwat Mukherjee as Kizzy's dad has done exceptionally good. His camaraderie with Manny is worth mentioning. Sahil Ved as JP is delightful. Well, rest of the cast lends able support.
Musically, the songs of Dil Bechara are really pleasing to the ears. The title track Khul Ke Jeene Do is really wonderful. Maestro A.R. Rahman has really done a great job.
I'm here to give you a small review on the latest film, which is released on OTT platform, and that's Dil Bechara. Well, as we all know, this is Sushant Singh Rajput's last film, and keeping that in mind, I would say it was a very emotional film, a splendid one to watch. So please do watch that film. It's not only Sushant's hard work, but the other cast and crew has also given their best foot forward, and I would say it's a movie that keeps you connected throughout, will keep you teary-eyed, and it's worth a watch. If you talk about his role has been tremendous. He has literally lived the character, and so is with Sanjana Sangvi. She, being this her debut film, she has done a wonderful job, and Shashwat Mukherjee and the mother who has played the role of Kizzy. It's a beautiful film, guys. Do not miss to watch this, and also make this the most viewed OTT platform movie ever. It's a humble request, and it will be a great tribute from our end to the legend Sushant Singh Rajput. Thank you. Have a nice day and stay blessed, stay safe.
Well, my view on movie Dil Bechara is it doesn't disappoint you. I assumed that the movie would be a tearjerker, but it is not. In fact, the movie is quite breezy and fun in the very first half, and then turns out to be an emotional one at the end. So I hope you will like it too. Do watch. And
I would like to mention that it's a wonderful movie to watch. I urge all of you out there to extend to watch this movie as a tribute to him. Along with Sushant, the other cast has also worked very hard for this. His role in this movie is a resemblance of what he was in his real life. Sanjana, being her first movie, acted so well in this movie.
Considering that this was the last movie of Sushant Singh Rajput, I think we all should give it a watch. It is not about the business, but it is for all of us to show the love we have for him. So the movie is a very beautiful movie, and it is definitely going to make you question that how such a smiling boy could leave us so soon. The grief behind his smile is still such a big question mark for all of us, and so the movie revolves around these two main lead actors, and I think they've done their work amazingly well.
The film Dil Bechara is a remake of very successful film Fault in Our Stars. In that, the girl wants to meet the author to know the reason why he left his latest story incomplete. And in this, the girl is a deep admirer of Abhimanyu Veer, a music composer, and wants to know why he left his latest song incomplete. Stricken with cancer, Kizzy makes her life otherwise mundane interesting by writing her daily happenings in a diary that she maintains till she meets Manny in a therapy center. Manny also has overcome osteosarcoma, a type of cancer, but is full of life. They meet, become friends, and later fall in love. Manny wants to export his zest for living to Kizzy. There is one beautiful line in the film which absolutely tells his love for living a happy life. The line is, जन्म कब लेना है और मरना कब है ये हम डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते, पर जीना कैसे है ये हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं.
The movie takes a turn when Kizzy has a panic attack and she wants to meet Veer before anything happens to her. And Manny wants to make it happen for her. Kizzy goes to meet Veer along with Manny and her mother to Paris. What happens next? Although the ending seems a bit rushed, the film manages to tug your heartstrings. The film has been adapted in Hindi by Shashank Khaitan and Supratim Sen. Although they have let down by mediocre writing, Mukesh Chhabra holds the film together with his fresh take on the adapted subject.
All in one, Dil Bechara is definitely a worth watch, not for anything else but for the sheer magnetic charm and presence of Sushant Singh Rajput. It's time for us to say you goodbye for now, but not for Manny. He will forever live in our hearts through his sheer performance. #forever, #Dil Bechara.